Warning: never perform maintenance or assembly procedures with engine running or serious personal injury may result. This kit can be mounted on several different style gear housings. A long neck upper fixing plate, a short neck upper fixing plate, and a 10 mm spacer are included in the kit and may be required to properly mount the blade. Failure to install the correct upper fixing plate configuration will cause the gear case to bind. Before installation, check the type of gear housing assembly that is on the unit and measure PTO shaft. If the shaft is 32 mm, approximately 1 1/4 inch, install the short-necked upper fixing plate onto PTO shaft. If the shaft is 42 mm, approximately 1 5/8 inch, install spacer, then short-necked upper fixing plate onto PTO shaft. If shaft is 45 mm, approximately 1 3/4 inches, install the long-necked upper fixing plate onto PTO shaft. The blade is sharp, and ECHO recommends wearing gloves when working with the blade. This video shows the gear housing with a 42 mm, approximately 1 5/8 inch PTO shaft. Install 10 mm spacer and short neck upper fixing plate onto PTO shaft. Install blade on upper fixing plate pilot. Blades must be installed so writing and rotation arrow on blade faces gear case. Secure blade with lower fixing plate and 10 mm nut. Turn nut counterclockwise on PTO shaft to tighten. Align hole in upper plate with notch and gear housing, and insert locking tool to prevent shaft from turning. Tighten 10 mm nuts securely. Insert split pin and hole in PTO shaft and bend pin legs around the shaft counterclockwise to retain the 10 mm nut.